Hello traders, today is 11 September 2024 and in this video I will show you the today's results of our account management service, and we will talk about the today's results of our account management service. So today I have traded only one setup, and this setup was on gold, and this was our zone for buying, and this was my entry point, and the stop loss was here below this zone, and the take profit was at this point which got hit, and the risk was 0.50% on this entry, and the target was also 0.50%. So the overall result of our account management service today is 0.50% profit, and all clients accounts also have a 0.50% profit. I also captured a video clip of this trade, so let's play and see how the trade performed. So that was the performance for today, and if you want to see the transparent result videos like this on a daily basis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to join our account management service, you can join our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.